Orlando is right here in La Cantina. And this is the real Orlando. Well, my dream is to honor those Vietnam veterans. Pat and Barbara and I and Sherry were sitting here at La Cantina having one of the wonderful steaks. And Pat and I started talking about a project to put up an F-4 in honor of Vietnam veterans. And Karen was there. And the first thing she said was, "I'll throw a first party at the La Cantina."
Everywhere. I got $100. Now two. Now two. Now three. Now four. Now four. 300. Now four. 300. Now four. 300 up the middle. Now four. 300 up the middle. Now four. 45. Going. Going. Sold. And you got it.
Construction with the design, and what this basically is the design.
Working with how we're going to make that happen.
We're here to get it through GO's portion of the process, and John Perone with the city, and getting it through the city.
Structural integrity is more important to me than the aesthetics of it. Yeah. And if we have to compromise the safety by getting a bank in there, we won't put the bank in there. It's going to be your call. You're designing it, and you have to take the compromises and come up with it.
We'll make it work. You can put it however you want. We'll make it work. 1, 2, 3. Thanks.
Oh,
hello, Joe.
good to see you.
Good to see you. Marty with
Sherry?
Worldwide.
Marty?
Hi, Marty.
Sherry, it's very nice to meet you.
And that through bolts all the way through that upper carrier right there.
From the
From there-
the bolt is inserted up through there and then captured
Captured on top.
on the fuselage.
Cross onto that red line. Well, we should be okay.
Okay. All right. I mean, by this time next.
And the star needs to be up here.
Needs to be higher?
Yeah, needs to be right there.
Okay. So rank them.
As
pretty
they
much
get.
as they
As they
get.
get.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay. So,
When you're driving down the ramp looking for your airplane, this is what you would tell you what your airplane it was.
really?
Yeah.
So those would be the original markings?
Those were the markings that tell you which airplane it was.
Oh, that's
A
great.
lot of times you couldn't see the tail when you're in the vehicle.
Yeah.
But you could see the 747 here.
Nice.
So you can just kind of center it in this area here, wherever it fits.
Okay, no problem.
So have it up pretty much almost to the top.
Okay.
I'd say leave about that much space.
Okay. Like 3-4 inches.
Yeah.
Okay. Shouldn't be an issue. On the line?
No, I think
Because this one shows, I mean, even this one
you know, it
shows it off.